Oats are a remarkable food. They are a very healthy grain that also has a number of advantages. Oats are abundant in fiber. They are also high in proteins and carbs. This fiber helps you lose weight over time. Oats can also make digestion and intestinal health better. Regular fiber consumption has a number of health advantages, including retaining a sense of fullness, keeps you from binge eating, helps in bowel movements, lowers LDL and total cholesterol levels, lowers blood sugar levels, lowers risk of heart disease. In addition to these advantages, oats are rich in anti-aging antioxidants. Additionally, they are a good source of manganese, a mineral that aids in the production of collagen. This is a protein that keeps the structure of your skin, hair, and nails intact. We typically consume mixed oats in foods like pancakes and porridge, along with shakes and drinks. In today's video, we'll show you how to use oatmeal to get its health benefits. We receive essential vitamins and minerals from oatmeal. Because eating oats easily makes us feel full, we eat less during the remainder of the day. This makes it perfect for weight loss. Cinnamon, which you can add to the recipe, helps the body use insulin more efficiently. Cinnamon can also help you process sugar more efficiently, digest food, lower your cholesterol. The ingredients for this recipe are simple to find. This recipe is also very easy to make. Ingredients: 1 cup of oats, 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of your favorite natural sweetener or honey, optional. Instructions: to soften the oats, soak them in water. After that, combine them with the rest of the ingredients. Mix thoroughly and pour into a glass jar. Try eating this 3 times throughout the day. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes.